What if your AI could actually remember things, and truly learn from its mistakes?
It's so frustrating, right? These super powerful AIs seem to have just terrible memories. See, the problem isn't needing more storage, it's needing a smarter way to remember.
So NEXO Brain is based on us. It uses a classic model of human memory to organize information. Info flows in, gets processed for the current task, and the important stuff, it gets locked away.
The whole system rests on 4 key pillars: input, memory, retrieval, and, well, actual cognition.
And get this, it even sleeps. At night, it sorts through memories and decides what's worth keeping forever.
Okay, so what makes NEXO stand out from other systems? Well, for one, let's talk about security.
This is huge. Nothing ever gets sent out. All your data is processed right on your machine.
But security is just one piece. NEXO Brain is also designed to get smarter all by itself.
It runs these autonomous processes in the background, kind of like its own little maintenance crew for its brain.
And it's not just clever code. This is straight-up cognitive psychology brought to life inside the AI.
The theory sounds amazing, right? But how does it actually stack up against the big players?
Well, check this out. On a key industry benchmark, it outperformed GPT-4 by more than 55%.
So this means you get an agent that doesn't just remember, but actively avoids making the same mistake twice.
So why NEXO? It's human-inspired, fully autonomous, 100% private, and its performance is proven.
We're really moving past simple tools here. This is about creating AI partners that learn right alongside us.
So what becomes possible when your AI doesn't just work for you, but remembers with you?